Let me show you how to create this slice text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Go to Type tool. Choose the white color. Type your text. Choose the polygonal lasso tool. Make selection to the upper part of the text. Now click on Mask. Duplicate the layer. Click on Layer Mask and hit Ctrl-I for invert the layer mask. Now move the layer little bit downwards and right sides using arrows keys. Create a new layer. Press and hold the Ctrl and click on Layer Mask. Now pick the brush tool. Choose the soft round brush. Opacity 50%. Brush the upper part of the bottom text. Make sure that empty layer is select. Ctrl-D deselect. That's it, hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.